I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. Another motor company about to establish in Abia State. Another motor company about to establish in Abia State. Let us listen to this. This is good news. When a leader of vision is in power, things work out good for that state. Think about that. The governor of Abia State has been in power for a year and 1 month, and things are happening rapidly in that state when you compare to other states. Before we do, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. So we are going to read out the news that came out to many people as a surprise because, people could not believe what's going on. Rosette Motors nears completion of their 40,000 unit capacity per annum automobile assembly plant in Abia, Abia State. Commends Governor Oti for creating the enabling environment that brought them to Abia State. Rosette Motors is almost set to commence the assembling of vehicles in Abia State before the end of October 2024 as the construction of its assembly plant at Obuako City in Okwa West local government of Abia State near completion, and all equipment needed to start the 40,000 unit of assemblies automobile assembly plant per annum are expected to arrive Abia State before the end of August 2024. The Abia-born Chief Executive Officer of Rosette Motors, Dr. Casey Oji, who spoke on Friday, 28 June, during a meeting with the governor of Abia State, Dr. Alex Chioma Oti, OFR, said that what was a dream a year ago has now become a reality owing to the encouragement from Governor Oti through the provision of enabling environment and fulfilling every promise he made them when they shared their dream of setting a vehicle assembly plant in Nigeria. And he pleaded with them to bring it to Abia State. See what we are talking about. Dr. Oji said, I told you of my plans to have an assembly plant, and you asked me to bring it to Abia State. I am very grateful to you, Your Excellency, for the very peaceful business atmosphere you have created in Abia State. Everything you promised us, you have fulfilled. That's wonderful. Before we continue, you're looking at some of the vehicle. You're looking at some of the Rosette vehicle. Is that not brilliant? So this is the second vehicle manufacturing that has declared interest. This one is almost going to start, and you can see Your Excellency promised us land where we would build the assembly plant, and in less than a month you gave us an offer letter and certificate of occupancy. I have to inform you now that construction is seriously ongoing at Obuako City. We call it Eco Drive Green Tech Metropolis because we have a mind to do a whole lot of things within that space. And one of the things we are doing already is the construction of the assembly plants. The assembly plant will see us rolling out about 40,000 units of automobiles per annum, and 70% of the production will be mainly innovative products like electric vehicles and CNG, compressed natural gas driven vehicles. That's wonderful. That's wonderful. The world is migrating to sustainable energy, and we do not want to sit back and watch the world move, and Nigeria and Abia State are not doing anything. We consider Abia as the most favorable environment to start because of the current leadership. So we are going to start assembling electric vehicles in that very space this year, Your Excellency. The Chief Executive Officer of Rosette Motors continued. Secondly, we are going to have another production line which is a CNG conversion plant. What it means is that we are going to have the capacity to convert any vehicle to CNG. We are going to have the CNG kits installed there, and then the CNG cylinders installed so that people can run on cheaper and cleaner energy. He described Obuako City as a well-planned and a strategic place to do business, with the natural gas line there as an added advantage to smart companies to do their businesses. We have produced our CNG generators in China, and they will be leaving China next month, so that we don't bother or stress the already crowded demands on the natural grid, since we already have gas line that pass through that location. Dr. Oji said that they are going to employ over 1,000 Abians by the time they kickstart their operations. Dr. Oji came with a prototype of their vehicle model already assembled abroad for the governor to see and feel the quality of their products. That's Abia State Governor enjoying the ride. Governor Oti welcome and thank Dr. Kes Oji for coming to update him on the level of progress made on the project. He was delighted to hear the cheering news that the car assembly plant will soon start operation, and expressed the hope that they will move from assembly to full production. We love that the vehicle are assembled here. But we will be happier if we begin to manufacture them here. We understand how manufacturing happens. The way car manufacturing happens is that you will still have to buy some parts from somebody else. If you want to sit down and manufacture everything from beginning to end, then you cannot do it. You can see the young man there. But the important thing is that you couple all the things together in a particular location. You have an emblem that says this vehicle is manufactured in Nigeria. For me, this is the joy, and the other thing that is also important is local content. So when you take a complete vehicle and you look at the component parts, where are they from? So doing what we call backward integration is very necessary, and you don't need to produce all these parts. Somebody can produce brakes somewhere, and someone else can produce other rubber somewhere. We want to get to a level where you can replicate some of these things in Abia. Our people are very creative. Just show them what to do, and they may not finish it in the way they can finish it in China. But a journey of 1,000 miles starts with one step. An excited Governor Oti thanked the chief executive of Rosette Motors for listening to him and agreeing to set up the assembly plan in Abia State. He went on to announce that he has instructed the commissioner for works to begin the process of building a dual carriageway from the Enugu-Port Harcourt Expressway into Obu-Ako City to create a better and easy access to the place. I have instructed the commissioner for works moments ago. We are going to build a dual carriageway into the city from the express. I know we work out the equity of the states on evaluation of land, which I believe is less than 2%. So, in due course, we will want to look at it and see if we can increase our equity to use it to support you, Governor Oti declared. As a firm believer in local production, the governor announced to Dr. Oji that state is placing orders for some of the vehicle. Wonderful. So we will also place orders for some of the vehicles. We strongly believe that a major part of our problem is that we are almost 100% import dependent. Virtually everything we consume today is imported. The pressure that puts on foreign exchange is enormous. By the time we encourage local production, eat what we produce and produce what we eat, I believe that the economy will be a lot better and stronger, the governor said. He encouraged the other people that have the same big dreams to come to Abia State, assuming the state will support them to realize their dreams. Dr. Oji was accompanied by a popular Nollywood actor, Ofia Mbaka, who is one of the ambassadors of Rosette Motors. That's wonderful. We cannot stress this enough because our homeland needs a lot of investment, and we cannot stress this enough. So that's very important for the development of the homeland, because we have for a long time wasted our time building other places, neglecting our homeland. This is the time of our homeland, so we cannot miss this opportunity. I don't know what you think about Rosette's Mr. Oji. Do you think he made the right move? So go to the comment section and drop your own message about that. And do you think he will succeed? Because the government has showed the determination to invest in the company also. Do you think what Dr. Oti is doing is far better than what you saw in Anambra State, where also another company that's supposed to have started was still delaying their production, which they said they will start producing in Omonia in last March, but nothing has happened. Nobody heard about them anymore. What do you think? You have the comments, you have the idea, you have the opinion. Go to the comment section and comment. And as you comment, we'll continue the discussion there. But a point of note is that no more sliding. Go, just do your commenting and leave the rest. Suggest ways to improve things in the homeland, because our homeland must be livable and a prosperous homeland. Thank you for joining us. Remember to share and subscribe. I am Kodili-nye, the son of wonderful. See you in the next one. God bless you. Bye.